Still juggling cluttered kitchens and weak appliances? What if one machine solved it all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I reveal the top 8 best blender food processor combos, saving time, money, and effort. Watch closely, feel confident, and grab your favorite easily through trusted links below today now. On number 8 is COZII Countertop Blenders. What if one blender could replace half your countertop appliances, while actually making your life easier? That's exactly the promise of the COZII Countertop Blender. Many people worry combo units are noisy, weak, or complicated. This one flips that expectation completely. In our top 8 blender processor style roundup, it shines for sheer power and versatility. The 2000-watt motor crushes ice into snow and blends frozen fruit effortlessly. Smoothies come out silky, soups hot, and nut butter smooth. Compared to smaller or less robust models, this one feels industrial yet surprisingly quiet. Pros: powerful motor, multiple presets, smart speed control, dishwasher-safe BPA-free containers. Cons: slightly bulky, premium size may take counter space. We only highlight tools tested for real-world kitchen comfort. If you want strength, precision, and peace of mind, this is a smart choice. Quick breakfast smoothies or fancy dips, what would you blend first? At number 7 is Ninja Ice Crushing. Did you know most blenders fail not on smoothies, but on ice? That's where Ninja Ice Crushing changes the game. People buying combo units often fear weak motors or uneven chopping. This one solves that stress fast. Powered like a beast, it turns ice to snow and dough to dinner in seconds. In our top 8 blender processor combo lineup, this stands out for real-life reliability. Smoothies feel silky. Meal prep feels effortless. Compared to others on the list, it's louder, but stronger, faster, and more versatile. That trade-off? Worth it. Pros: serious power, large picture, true processor performance. Cons: takes counter space, not whisper quiet. We only suggest gear that earns its place after everyday testing. If you want one machine for blending, crushing, and prep, this feels like peace of mind. Casual users may want smaller. Power users? You'll love this. What do you think, power or silence? On number 6 is Vitamix Blender. What if one blender could replace 3 appliances, and still feel calm to use? That's the promise here. Many people hesitate before buying a combo unit, worried about noise, weak blending, or short lifespan. This Vitamix solves that anxiety instantly. In our top 8 blender processor style lineup, this one feels refined. Smoothies come out velvet smooth. Soups heat themselves. Nut butters? Effortless. Compared to louder, more aggressive options on the list, this trades brute force for precision and control, and that's the magic. Pros: consistent textures, smart programs, long warranty confidence. Cons: premium price, smaller batch size than some rivals. We only back tools that earn trust after everyday kitchen testing. If you value reliability, safety, and peace of mind, this is a smart long-term pick. Power hunters may want alternatives, but texture lovers, this one's for you. What would you blend first? At number 5 is Geolunmy Mixer Grinder. What if a compact machine could handle smoothies, chopping, and grinding without draining your budget? That's the surprise here. Many people avoid combo units fearing weak motors or messy cleanup. This Geolunmy steps in with confidence and relief. In our top 8 blender processor style roundup, this one shines for everyday kitchens. It's quick, simple, reliable. Smoothies blend fast, veggies chop evenly, and coffee grinding feels effortless. Compared to premium models on the list, it's less powerful, but far more space-friendly and beginner-safe. Pros: versatile jars, fast one-touch use, easy cleaning, solid warranty comfort. Cons: not ideal for heavy dough or large batches. We only suggest gear that proves itself in real kitchen routines. If you want smart value, daily convenience, and peace of mind, this is a strong pick. Power users may upgrade, but families and students? This just makes sense. What would you try first? At number 4 is Hamilton Beach Food Chopper. What if meal prep didn't need a bulky, expensive machine? That's the quiet surprise here. Many people shopping combo units fear complexity, spills, or wasted counter space. This Hamilton Beach Chopper answers those worries with simplicity and relief. In our top 8 blender processor style lineup, this one feels practical. Smoothies blend evenly. Veggies chop clean. The wave style blending keeps ingredients moving, which cheaper rivals often fail at. Compared to heavy-duty models on the list, it's less aggressive, but far easier to live with. Pros: glass jar confidence, drip-free pouring, flexible attachments. Cons: not built for dense dough or ultra-large batches. We only highlight tools that prove themselves in everyday kitchens, not spec sheets. If you want reliable performance, easy cleanup, and peace of mind for daily cooking, this is a smart choice. Hardcore power users may look elsewhere, but for families and beginners, this fits just right. What would you prep first? On number 3 is NutriBullet Triple Prep System. What if one base could truly do it all, without confusion or clutter? That's the bold promise here. Many buyers hesitate with combo systems, worried about wrong settings or uneven results. This NutriBullet solves that anxiety with smart recognition and guided controls. In our top 8 blender processor style lineup, this feels thoughtfully engineered. Full-size smoothies come out smooth. Single serve feels fast. Food prep stays precise. Compared to louder, more aggressive units on the list, this balances power with control, and that's reassuring. Pros: intelligent programs, versatile attachments, easy storage, safe hot blending. Cons: plastic build won't please glass lovers. We only stand behind gear that proves itself in real kitchen routines. If you want flexibility, confidence, and a calmer cooking experience, this is a smart buy. Hardcore traditionalists may prefer simpler machines, but busy households will appreciate this system. Would this replace multiple appliances in your kitchen? At number 2 is VegeNutrix Nutrient Extractions. What if one machine could finally end underpowered blending and unsafe food prep? That's the bold promise here. Many shoppers hesitate before choosing a combo unit, worried about weak motors or safety risks. This VegeNutrix clears that fear fast. In our top 8 blender processor style lineup, it feels solid and reassuring. Smoothies blend clean. Dough kneads with control. Veggies shred evenly without stress. Compared to lighter plastic rivals on the list, this one feels tougher, safer, and more deliberate. Pros: glass jar confidence, strong manual control, serious safety locking, generous capacity. Cons: manual dials mean less automation. We only recommend tools that prove their worth through daily kitchen use, not hype. Tested for real-world cooking comfort, this brings relief and peace of mind to busy homes. If you want power with protection and long-term reliability, this is a smart choice. If you crave presets and touchscreens, look elsewhere, but hands-on cooks will appreciate this strength. Now moving to the last one is KOIOS Meat Grinder. What if your kitchen could grind, blend, and prep without juggling 3 machines? That's the surprise here. Many buyers fear combo units will overheat, wobble, or feel unsafe. This KOIOS system fixes that stress quickly. In our top 8 blender processor style lineup, it stands out for balance. Smoothies are fast. Chopping feels controlled. Grinding spices is clean and precise. Compared to bulkier rivals, this saves space while still delivering confidence-inspiring power. Pros: strong motor, safety lock reassurance, versatile cups, easy cleanup. Cons: not designed for heavy-duty dough like larger processors. We only highlight appliances that earn trust through everyday cooking, not marketing noise. Tested for real-world kitchen comfort, this brings relief and peace of mind to busy homes. If you want flexibility, safety, and smart value in one base, this is a solid buy. Power bakers may need more, but families and health-focused users will feel they made a smart choice. What would you make first? If I had to pick a winner among the top 8 blender processor combos, it's the Vitamix Ascent X5. Why? It perfectly balances power, versatility, and reliability. With its smart programs, precise controls, and durable construction, it handles smoothies, soups, nut butters, and even hot blends effortlessly. Compared to the others, it offers consistent professional results, long-term peace of mind with a 10-year warranty, and ease of use for any skill level. For those who want one machine that truly does it all, this is the smartest investment. So guys, this was the video about the top 8 best blender food processor combo. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.